Hi, my name is Mercy Aruya. I am a business operations and automation specialist. I build custom systems and internal solutions for businesses. So, for this project, I built a system to run a childcare exchange using Softr and Airtable. Instead of the usual spreadsheets, group chats, and manual tracking, or even Facebook private group, everything now run through a structured operational system. Let me show you how this work in real time. At the core is a relational database built in Airtable. We have the family table, the swap request, the completed swap, and the swap correction table. So this particular table is to keep all necessary forms needed for this system. So this runs basically on credit system, and the credit system works with two conditions. Credit is not transferred when swap is requested or swap is still pending. The credit swap system works when swap is completed, and this formula table calculates the credit earned by host and also the credit earned by guest, and we use a roll up system to roll this up so they can get to see their credit system how they're improving. So it's a two-way thing. You get to be the host and a guest. You can't be a host or you can be a guest. You get to offer this. It's like a communal community. So now we have the automation. So this automation runs in four sections. We have the swap completion completed automation, the swap request automation, the credit concern automation, the completed the correction automation. So for this swap completed automation, when a swap request is made and is approved, we send email to guest and also to the host like, oh I this swap system is completed and this is the note or the ratings you have from the host. Then when a swap record is when a swap record is completed, we find the family and we link the record. So and we also email both family when a swap is completed. So when a swap request is made, an email is sent to the admin, especially if their credit balance is low. So we decide if we're going to pend it or we're going to approve it. So in all of this, the families don't have access to our database. So this is the back end. We have software that acts as the front end, where we have this beautiful portal that that runs with a logic where each family who can see this block family, we each family gets to see like a personalized profile, a personalized portal with their system. They don't have access to any other system or any other family system. So let's preview this as a family. Then we have home. Welcome back, Shina family. So you get to decide, okay, let me check up community. So this community, this is where you get to see all requests, all requests in the community, all pending swap requests. Oh, this family needs help. What they need help for? The credit required, the child care. Is it child care or is it trip transports to their school? The days they submitted, then the day they need a service, they get to see all information and make that decision. Oh yes, I want to help this family or I want to swap with this family. Then we have to request a swap. So this section, this is where family make a request. They can come here. I use the action the button, the create a record button on software, which I feel like it's one of like the best updates they have recently. So once they come here, they can decide to pick family, the guest family, which family are you helping, what is the swap type, is it childcare, is it transportation, date of service, and the guest detail, the number of children for the swap, and they submit their request. So once they submit this request, it automatically fill up in our swap request table. It is synced and it is synced. Our database is synced. Then we have the update swap. So this is where they get to see all record of all completed swap. They get to see it here. They also get to make correction in their swap form, like, oh, they submitted a detail, they thought they are going to be needing help with 5 children, but At the end of the day, they decided, okay, I need help with just three. This is where they make every correction within 48 hours before the date of service, and the admin reach out and approve or disapprove. And we have the history. This is where they get to see all personal record of everything the family have participated in, all um, personal swap requests, all requests they've completed as a host, so they get to see this. So now for this, the family